Hey everyone, good evening. John Martinez here, and I wanted to just bring you a short video this evening regarding time freedom. Something that I think we would all agree is something extremely important, especially those of us or those of you that are still working a job and you have specific hours that you need to be at that job. And one of the things that has always intrigued me and driven me to be an entrepreneur and to be an independent contractor. And to be perfectly honest, I've really never had a job in my life. I've always been an independent contractor in one facet or another, whether it be real estate or in the medical industry or whatnot. But one of the interesting things that I find is that we're so willing to give up our time in exchange for a paycheck, and that we really need to get straight in our mind. And again, this goes back to mindset and how powerful it is. We really need to understand that we owe it to ourselves to be in control of our time, and there are a multitude of different ways that that can be accomplished. Typical 9-to-5 jobs. Although they may be for some, and some do them out of necessity, it's only because maybe though a lot of people don't know that there's another way. And so one of the things that has been helping me considerably of late is, again, I refer back to the 12-week year book that I'm just wrapping up, and implementing the 12-week plan as opposed to an annualized plan. And it is extremely powerful how quickly you're able to identify which activities are actually the revenue generating activities. And so what I'm finding recently is that since implementing the 12-week plan, this is going on my third week now, I am typically able to be done because I've identified those high activity tasks. I'm able to have my day pretty much wrapped up by about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Now again, I am also following Robin Sharma, as I mentioned previously, and doing the 5 a.m. club, which gets me to rise at 5 a.m. But again, that first hour of getting up is really focused just on me with meditating and planning out my day and exercise. But how much more you can get done is amazing when you actually have a plan that's written out and outlined that you can measure and determine without error. What activities are really serving you, and which ones need to be revised, and which ones need to be added or taken off or whatnot. But just wanted to bring that to you here real quickly. Time freedom is of the utmost importance to me, and spending the time doing more of the things that I enjoy doing, whether that be golf or family activities or travel. There's a whole host of things that I would rather be doing than sitting behind a desk for 8 or 10 hours a day. So just wanted to bring you that real quickly here this evening, and hopefully that will get you to think a little bit about your own time management, and how are you really being effective in the things that you're doing on a daily basis. So again, focus on those high activity or high value activities, excuse me. And I think you'll find that you'll be able to get a lot more done. It's not all about the quantity of things that you do every day. It's really more about the quality of the things that you do every day. So that's what I got for you this evening. Hopefully you'll pull a little value out of here, maybe some golden nuggets along the way. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.